Sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, igama usabelo umfana kamdluli. And yes people, it's match day. Orlando Pirates, they are back in action. Izimnyama ngenkani mapaka. I'm happy right now. I'm happy people. We are taking on Orbit College. Orbit College have won a game bafethu. Ningabanyatsi, ningabathatheli phansi, ngiyanicela. After Slam, uyabona ukuthi I'm respectful towards you. I'm naming you ngegama lakho straight. Angisakulandi ngu-Absalom because uhamba ngeline straight. You are doing the right things. Do not, I repeat, do not ngabanyatsi labantu laba. Play your strongest team, or should I say, play the team that played Sundowns. No changes, no nothing. Keep it the way it is. If you change it and we lose, it's your fault. Ni ready bafethu, pakani as in action.